This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on GL account page tabs. In the main cabinet, go to General Ledger, click on Account List, choose an existing GL account. Click on the account name ID from the account list. Right below the multicolor buttons along the top are page tabs. These page tabs can be customized by an administrator to add, change, or reorder them. These page tabs display grids with information that correspond to your GL account without needing to navigate between screens. These grids can be searched and sorted in multiple ways. The main tab is the GL account record information. Account transactions as of today lists all transactions entered for this GL account through today's date. Account transactions list all past, present, and future transactions entered for this GL account. Account transactions as of today, deposits and checks, gives you a total deposit per deposit ticket number entered and checks issued. Account transactions as of today, receipts and checks, are individual receipts for each customer deposited and all checks issued. Bank accounts only applies when you are looking at one of your cash accounts and the corresponding cash management bank account. While on any of these page tab screens, use the multicolor buttons below the page tabs. Blue Add is to create a new transaction. Black Excel allows you to export the grid to an Excel file. Black CSV allows you to export the grid to a CSV file. Teal Refresh refreshes the screen after any changes were made. Teal Clear Sorts clears any column sorts used. Teal Clear Filters clears any filters used. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving.